This is my Module 3, Engineering as a Model of the Earth's Water Filter. And first thing I did is I investigated some of the materials and their properties. And you can see a summary here on the slide. Charcoal removes the toxins, sand removes dirt and debris, the gravel removes the heavy metal and sediment. And you can see some of the other properties listed here as well. For the alum, it removes the phosphates. The cheesecloth filters out the larger pieces of debris without restricting the water flow. The mesh catches the large particles of dirt and debris. The other supplies I used are listed here: the plastic cups, push pins, rubber bands, coffee filters, rollers, scissors, and brown paper bags. So for the filtering process, the first time I tried to do it more similar to what the earth would do. And so I put the things in this order: the cheesecloth, charcoal, the sand, the alum, gravel, and then the mesh, and with coffee filters in between. And I decided I wanted to try as well to see if the order really did make that much of a difference. And it really did. The second time you could see the order that I used. And at the end of this video, you can see the difference with the water. And it really does make quite a bit of a difference. So here's the water that's almost clear looking, following the Earth's design. And then here you could see one that is not so much. And that was the one that was my second trial. So, comparison to the Earth, the cheesecloth was like the O horizon, charcoal was like the A horizon, or the topsoil. Sand was kind of like the E horizon, where it removes most of the minerals. The alum with coffee filters was like the B horizon. The gravel and mesh with the coffee filters was like the C, and the bedrock was like the R horizon. As far as an analysis is concerned, for asking questions, I gave it a level 4 because there's lots of opportunities for the students to focus on science questions and evaluate them. For planning on carrying on investigations, I gave it a 3 because they were actually given the materials rather than deciding the materials being used. For mathematics and computational thinking, the rulers really wasn't necessary, although you could use it. So there would be, perhaps more ways of going and including the math component of it. Developing and using models, I gave it a 4 because it was modeling after the Earth soil and the different levels, the different horizons. Analyzing and interpreting data was between a 2 and a 3 because I really didn't see that the kids, at least as such, designed a lot of the data. You could add more of this in, however. And constructing explanations was a level 4 because the students are comparing to the Earth and they were able to research this information. For engaging an argument, I gave it a level 3 because I could debate the order of the filter and the materials. Obtaining and evaluating communicating information was level 3 because there is room for the kids to research, even though we didn't see it so much in the videos. And I also want to give a special thank you to my daughter, Peggy Rose, who videotaped me completing this activity and attached her my references for the research I did. Thank you and Happy New Year's. Bye.